Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu token bad news. That's right, we kind of have some rough day, and this is actually true. I'm not gonna hype something that is doing bad, and we have really bad news today, and unfortunately we are not that great. We fell basically 4%, which is not too dramatic for Shiba Inu token, but we got rejected again on the chart and we are starting a slow decline again, so we will talk about it in today's video. As you can see, even the volume is not that great, and we had some bad news and bad announcements that we will talk about in today's video. So if you're a member of a Shiba Inu army, make sure to watch this video till the end so you fully understand how the bad news and the things that are currently happening going to impact the price, as we are currently trading at the 81.3, and this is not that good, guys. I will talk about the price analysis a little bit later on in the video, but first, if you want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the big news about your favorite tokens, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because we are going slowly but surely to 4,000 subscribers. So shout out to all of the fans of the channel. We are doing great, and thank you for the big support. And without further waiting, let's start with the news. So I will start with the good news first. Actually, we got a kind of announcement on Webull that the countdown is on. Shib is now in beta testing, and when the beta testing gets over with, we will have a one more big and huge listing. Guys, this is big. We are going to get listed on the Webull, and you can see and you can even imagine the impact that it will have on the price. So even though people actually think that it will boost the price up or the volume, yeah, the volume probably, but the problem is, I think as soon as we get listed, and it actually happened before, when we have a new huge listing, we actually tank down in the price and we actually go down, because people are now getting, I would say, tired of the project, and some people that actually expected that will make a millions in the months, even though I don't agree with them, they are kind of selling all the time, and this is why we are slowly but surely going down. And when we have one more big listing, that means that more and more people will actually go just to sell, and that's basically the pattern that always repeats. When we have a huge listing, price is always going down because more and more people are selling. We need more updates, we need enhanced ecosystem, but we will talk about that a little bit later on. So even though it's a good news, it's at the same time a bad news for the current price. Also, we have kind of interesting post right here from Shib Informer. So far we have one burn mechanism related to new listings, but more are being studied. So we are kind of looking forward to make more burns and more kind of different burns and different burns method. So devs are silent for the moment because they are focused working on important matters. But when devs send public messages, they usually do it on the Discord server. So you can follow their Discord server as well. But they are actually looking forward to make one more burn mechanism that is going to enhance the price as well as diluting the circulating supply. So this is kind of a good news, I would say, and I'm looking forward to see what is going to happen when they actually make more burn mechanisms. And with that said, we actually have one more listing, so double trouble, I would say, because with Webull we actually got Bitwawo. I'm not sure if that's the correct pronunciation of that, but Bitwawo actually listed Shiba Inu, as you can see right here, and you can trade it on the platform basically. And this is how the things are right now. We will got it on the Bitwawo as well as the Webull on a very short period of time, and this could probably destroy the current Shiba Inu token price. So with that said, even though volume will be increased, in the short term we will fall down, and this is not that good, because when we get even a little, I would say, dip, more and more people actually got panic and sell, and this is how you do not do the crypto trading. This is very bad. I will talk about price analysis in just a minute, but one more thing here, we answered that part in the WooF paper. So why Ethereum? We are actually making some adjustments in the news with the Ethereum. So when comparing different blockchains, you might wonder why we choose to stay on Ethereum network. The answer, like the rest of the project, is straightforward and purposeful. One founder, Ryoshi, embarked on the SHIB journey with a predisposition towards the Ethereum in the first place. It's already secure and well established, and it truly allows us to stay decentralized. So this is kind of okay, I would say. I think even that tokens that are based on Ethereum network go better and better and actually have a bigger growth potential, but I would say that bridge, some kind of a bridge with other platforms and other networks would be great. For example, with the Binance and any other, I would say, big contracts will be great in the future, because that way you can attract the new investors into token. And I will leave this article for the end, because they actually made some kind of a nice prediction for the Shiba Inu token. But let's first do some price analysis. As you can see right here, we are trading at the 81.6 and we are currently 3.6 down. Volume is terrible bad. I'm not that happy with the volume. We are looking forward to get back on $1 billion volume in 24 hours. We are only doing 300 million, so it's kind of quiet day to day, even though we had some massive sell-offs by the graph, and I will talk about that also. Market cap is down as well, and you can see that we are on $3.2 billion right now. So there you go. This is how the things are standing right now. And if you go to the chart, on a 7-day chart, you can see that we actually started the week pretty good with some nice pump, but we are actually so close. We were so close to eat that 1-0, but we got rejected. We went down and started a decline. Even though we had a new support line right here, we got rejected again right here, and slowly but surely we went down. And you can see right here some of the big sell-offs actually happened from the 84 to the 81. This is some kind of a big volume, as you can see here by the chart. And before that, we actually traded good. We were at the 84 with even some signs of a bullish indicator, but after the dip we had some buyings and we actually went down throughout the day. And we're currently at the 81, which is way too low for Shiba Inu token. I was actually expecting, to be honest, that we will eat at least 1-0 this week, because we were so close that we actually almost got it. You can see right here at the 19.4, we needed so little, but we got rejected and we are slowly but surely going down again. So this is definitely not good. We don't have any catalyst that could basically do that bullish push in the future, but yeah, this is how the things are standing right now. And I can even say that I'm pretty I would say exhausted for the from the things that they are going right now. You can see that we are really struggling to find that I would say pump again. And the problem is definitely that actually circulating supply is way too big, burns are not that efficient, and this is why we are always going down. And even when something big happens, it's not actually that big. So there you go. This is how the things are right now. If we go to the market and check out the volume, you can see right here that Binance is doing only 75 million. They did about 200 million or 250 million just a few days before when we had that push. But now that we are in decline, more and more people are selling. We are on a 75 million. Lbank is on 50, Hotbit is on 38, Bitmart is on 16, and so on. You can see right here how we are doing, but these are pretty small numbers. And right now Shiba Inu popularity is kind of fading away. Even though we had some new followings and some new investors coming up, we are slowly but surely fading away. And right now is the perfect moment to buy more, because next pump is coming very soon, probably because we will fall down and then we will probably have one more uptrend like this one very soon. So there you go. We need to survive this Webull listing, and we need to survive this Bitwawa listing. Even though Bitwawa is not that popular, Webull listing will be huge for Shiba Inu token, but I'm scared that every time we actually get a big listing, we fell down. So there you go. This is how the things are standing right now. It's not too good, I would say, but it's not even too bad. I'm not gonna be pessimistic today, but we are kind of in a trouble. So short term, I would say the price is going to fall down. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to like and comment down below your opinion about the current state and the price fall of a Shiba Inu token. I'm really curious to see your opinion as well. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.